Immobiliser fitting. This is a 2020 Toyota RAV4 protected with a Halo Mini immobiliser. So if a thief got the key, went into the headlight, tried to start the vehicle, the ignition's going to power up, it's not going to go to ready, and as you see, when we put it into gear, hybrid system doesn't power up, engine doesn't start, they're not driving it anywhere. For the customer to drive it, they'll keep their foot off the brake, double tap the start button, pop their code in, 1, 2, 3, 4, receive a flash from the full beam, now they can put their foot on the brake, start the vehicle up, and it goes to ready. This system activates as soon as you get out of the vehicle with 2 flashes confirmation. So if someone grabbed your keys as you hopped out, the car's not going anywhere, doesn't drive away, doesn't start. Customers will change their code, they first have to prove it's them, so we'll turn the ignition on, pop our code in, 1, 2, 3, 4, receive our flash. Now we'll put our foot to the floor 10 times on the accelerator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We get a flash from the full beam and the fog light, meaning it's ready for a new code. So we'll just pop in the reverse of 1, 2, 3, 4, turn the ignition off. 1 flash confirms we have a new code. We'll make sure it's active, double tap, pop our new code in, 1, 2, 3, 4, receive our flash, and now we can start the vehicle. We're taking it for a service. It's a similar process to disarming, so we'll just make sure the system's active. What we'll do, we'll turn the ignition on, pop our code in, 1, 2, 3, 4. On the last press, we're going to hold it. As you see, we've got 1 flash confirming our code went in. If we keep it held till we get 5 flashes, it's then going to be a normal vehicle. So when it goes back to Toyota, they can service it, road test it. You don't have to worry about giving them a code. We've got our flashes. We can let go of the button, turn the vehicle off. You'll know it's in service mode. When you get out, you don't get your 2 flash activation, and it will start without a code. So just hand them the keys. You don't need to worry about telling them the code, making your system vulnerable by someone else knowing your code. It's just going to be a normal car to them. When you get it home, you just do the same process but in reverse. So 1, 2, 3, 4, pop your code in, hold the last button. This time we're not going to get a flash until we've held it for like 5-10 seconds, and then we're going to get 1 flash which confirms it's out of service mode, so it's not going to happen while it's there. We've got our 1 flash, and now the system's going to be active. We open the door, 2 flashes and it's on. Vehicle's not going to start. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a Halo Mini. To get one of these fitted, give us a call, 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.